Hello, this is a good coconut rice recipe that I know you need. And trust me, once you follow the processes laid out in this video, you're going to enjoy every bit of it. So firstly, I had to prepare my veggies. For this recipe, I used carrot, bell pepper, green beans, and onions. You can use veggies of your choice. I got some feedback regarding my previous videos, and I realized that I always make fast explanations. So I'm trying to take my time and explain these processes. If you have questions at all regarding the cooking process, you can ask in the comment section, and I will do well to respond accordingly. That explains how our personality can play a role in our activities because I'm always doing things fast, so why would I want to waste your time? So I have to always talk fast sometimes, and but now I realize some viewers will appreciate it if I take my time to explain the cooking processes. After preparing my veggies, I blended my pepper and started the cooking process. I sauteed my onions. I used homemade ghee for this recipe. I added sliced tomatoes, seasonings, and salt, and then I stirred for 10 minutes to incorporate all the condiments, and then I went in with my blended pepper. I stirred also, and I added meat broth and the coconut milk. I covered the pot and I allowed it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. So the top film will no longer be foamy but will be oily. Afterwards, I washed my rice and I added it to the pot and I allowed it to cook. I waited for the rice to get soft, and then I went in with my veggies and proteins as well. Firstly, I had to go in with the hard veggies, the bell pepper and the green beans. And then I added carrots and then added fish and meat. So I don't know why we use fish in our coconut rice recipe in Nigeria, but it just gives it a good taste. So gave it a good mix and my food was ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.